Good morning and namaskar to everyone present here. My name is Shrees Khanal. I am from grade 81. I am here to present about the topic, the importance of time management. Time is the most valuable thing in our life. We use time in every time. Once a minute pass, it can never come back. We cannot buy time with money. If we do not manage our time properly, then we can get stress and over pressure. Managing time is very simple. It means doing the right things at the right time. For example, when it is time for studying or doing homework, we should put our phone down and focus. We can make daily routines for managing time. Another benefit of managing time is it gives us enough time to spend our time with our friends and family. If we do our work on time, we don't need to worry or get stressed. In conclusion, time is if we manage time properly, we does not care. In conclusion, good time management does not only save work, but also give us enough time. In conclusion, good time management does not only save work, but help us reduce our stress and make us more disciplined. Thank you.